In previous videos, we learned about macronutrients, that is carbohydrates, fats and proteins. Now in this video, we will learn more about micronutrients. Micronutrients, that is minerals and vitamins. As you already know that micronutrients are needed only in very small amounts in our body to produce enzymes and hormones to conduct chemical reactions, but are extremely important for our body. First in micronutrients are the minerals. Minerals are inorganic elements essential to the nutrition in humans. They help in chemical reactions, help muscles to contract, and also keep the heart beating. Minerals can further be categorized in two groups, that is major minerals or macrominerals and trace minerals or microminerals. Major minerals are calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sulfur, sodium, potassium and chloride. The minor minerals are iron, iodine, zinc, selenium, copper, manganese, fluoride, chromium and molybdenum. The major minerals, their function and their sources are given in this table, and then we have trace minerals or microminerals. The body needs these minerals in very small amounts. Iron is considered to be a trace mineral, although the amount needed is somewhat more than for other microminerals. Now we have other micronutrients, that is vitamins. They are essential for maintaining the normal metabolism, development, regulation of cell function. They are vital for our health or life. Further, they can be categorized as water soluble and fat soluble. Water soluble vitamins, their benefits or functions as well as the sources are given in this table. Then after water soluble, we have fat soluble vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin D, E and K. We have their functions and the sources in this table. You can go through this table. Indian diet has changed drastically over the past few years, and the change was not for the betterment. We now eat more of processed foods and instant ready to eat foods than we did earlier. Processed and fast foods have the tendency of including high levels of macronutrients, that is carbohydrates, fats, etc., often at the expense of micronutrients. During the process of making these foods, they are stripped of the vitamins, minerals and phytochemicals that we require. This means that most boxed foods, cereals, bread, sweets, dairy products and most fast food provide you with a high amount of calories but offer a little amount of the nutrient content. It is very important to pay attention what we are consuming. Maintaining the right balance between macro and micronutrients leads to a better overall health and wellness. Use of high quality vitamin supplements helps boost our possibly lacking micronutrient levels. Vitamins and minerals are as essential for our body as air and water. Not only do they keep our body healthy and functional, they also protect us from a variety of diseases. The best way to ensure you receive enough vitamins and minerals is to have wide variety of foods from different food groups mentioned in the food pyramid that we discussed earlier. Tomorrow in my next video we will discuss more about health. Till then, take very good care of your health. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.